What's up everyone, and welcome back to another video and another review. Today we're taking a look at OpenSwarm, which is a new tool from Anthropic. Using OpenSwarm, you get multi-agent systems working together, AI teams that split tasks like write, review, test, etc., and automation tools for coding or workflows, and of course experimental orchestration layers. Some versions even connected to tools like GitHub or coding pipelines. Think of it like instead of one AI doing anything, you get multiple AIs working like a team. One writes, one checks, improves, and organizes. This is called a multi-agent system. It can automate complex tasks faster than single AI workflows. It's good for developers and AI experiments, and it's an open source version that exists on the internet so you can use it for free. And it's useful for learning AI agent systems. But on the other hand, it's not an official Anthropic product yet. Still experimental and requires technical setup in most cases. It's not beginner friendly and no guaranteed accuracy or safety controls. So, is it safe or worth using? Safe if you use trusted open source repos. Not recommended for beginners, and it's best for developers experimenting with AI agents. So, OpenSwarm is not a single official AI tool from Anthropic yet. It is a category of experimental multi-agent systems that often confused with branding or leaks related to AI companies. And that's it guys, as simple as that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more.